So I'm back here in Paris and I'm staying with my Ukrainian friend. She cooked this wonderful meal here. So we got some fish, we got some onions right there, and some potatoes right there. So she made this from scratch. Can you believe that? This is amazing. And yeah, here's the view from afar here. So here's the window, and we're staying in, this is the suburbs of Paris. Not actually Paris, but it's nice and quiet, very peaceful out here. And yeah, sometimes I like the quiet. And there is an airplane right there. So later on, we're gonna go to Paris and explore and walk around and stuff like that. And that's what you have to do when you're in Paris, man. You gotta walk around, see the Eiffel Tower and all that good stuff. So anyway, I'm about to devour this delicious meal here. And yeah, it looks amazing. All right, everybody, we'll talk to you later. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And that's it for now, bye-bye. Bonjour everybody. So it's me, Cool Dre, once again. So I'm in Paris and just taking a stroll along near the Seine River here in the background. So yeah, I'll turn the camera so you can see what I'm seeing. Here we are. So yeah, so there's the Seine River and just casually walking. There's the Eiffel Tower right there. And it's a beautiful sight to see, the Eiffel Tower. It doesn't matter if it's day or night or winter, fall, summer, spring. Eiffel Tower is a magnificent piece of architecture. Focus on it just a bit. So yeah, it's always amazing. It's always amazing. And then we're just walking down a park here. But yeah, so check this out. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Cool, that's the Seine River. You're just joining me. Sunday afternoon, Paris, France, 2026. And just look at, wow, even the trees are cool. Horse right here. Like it's, oh, Panama, Venezuela, okay. Spanish stuff is going on. Very cool. French flag right there. The lion right there. And the gold right here. Just a magnificent piece of architecture. These statues and I almost said statuary. The Eiffel Tower right there. Yeah, very cool, guys. So this is the Petit Palais, the Little Palace. Check it out. So that's the Petit Palais. That's what it's called. And this is the Big Palais, Grand Palais. I guess that's how you pronounce it. So cool. This is this right here. I mean, amazing, stunning architecture here. If you can notice the arch right there, and the statues, tourists, local bicycles, all the good stuff there. Typical European tourist attraction, you know. But yeah, look at the architecture. I mean, this is just like why artists like myself and many others from the past, present, and the future will come over here. We'll say Paris for an example, to get inspiration, you know? Because as artists, we like inspiration. We like trying to invent our own thing, you know? Sometimes we'll take stuff people invented and just kind of use it as inspiration. And yeah, I just like that arch there, you know, and the detail. See, like, I'm gonna see if I can focus in on the detail. See the detail within that? It's amazing, you know. I wonder how many years it took to do that. Probably like 50 years or something, you know. So that's it. Cool. All right, everyone, have a great day. Okay everyone, this is inside the Petit Palais here. So anyone who wants to go, this is totally free. They do a TSA type of check, which I was not prepared for, but it's fine. Just I don't like that. Anyway, just be prepared for that. And it's right now, it's Sunday afternoon, so there's no like, assuming it's just open regular hours and stuff, so. But yeah, over here. Amazing stuff. I just love the painting on the roof there. It just reminds me of the Sistine Chapel. Have you ever been there? In Rome, Italy? If you haven't been there, please go. It's something it's one of those things you have to see for once in your life, you know. Because, you know, throughout history, you've been looking at this in textbooks or movies or on the internet and stuff, you know, but in person, it's breathtaking. Okay, everyone, that's it. Bye-bye. So this is outside the Petit Palais. So as soon as you go outside through that cafe and everything, you're in this little magical courtyard here. And basically, yeah, this is what it looks like. It kind of has that Colosseum feel to it, like you're in Rome, you know, which I like, you know. So I don't know if they got inspiration from the Romans for this, but yeah, you have this cute little, I wonder if there's fish in there. Probably not, that pond, little cool pond, but yeah, but it's a great way to, like, you know, take a date, you know. Let's say you're on a budget and you need a date. This is like the perfect place. It's free, there's a cafe, and you can just kind of walk around here, so it's amazing. If you're a guy and you want to impress your lady, or let's say your lady's from America, same country you're from, or wherever, you know. Great place to take a date, you know. My friend took me here, and yeah, this is amazing. So yeah. So here we are, Arc de Triomphe in Paris, France here. So yeah, so you have that, the loop here, and it's one of these historic monuments that you just kind of see in your history books. But yeah, if you want to avoid the lines and stuff, I would say go during off season. And that's it. So anyway, that's it, everybody. Have a great day.